What's going on, y'all? This is my twist on Jamaican curry chicken. I'm currently living in Cebu, Philippines, so I had limited ingredients at the moment. Couldn't run to the store, you know what I mean? I washed my chicken, cleaned it, seasoned that bad boy, chicken seasoned, onion powder, garlic powder, the whole nine. Then I fried that bad boy in some grease in my Dutch pot I was able to find here. You know, this is a little bit different from the traditional way because there's skin on the chicken, so I have to fry that thing up, right? Okay, so as you can see, that thing was crispy. Add a little curry powder and that oil. I did throw some of the oil, but got to burn that curry to give it that authentic flavor. Don't worry about why I'm adding some water and hot grease. Mind your business. You see how deep the pot is, and I know how to cook. The fire was on low. But add some water to your pot. Once you finish frying that chicken, add curry in there. I went in there with some garlic and onion. I didn't have any scallion, but I did have some leftover green season that had the ginger, the scallion, the thyme, all that in there. Add some pimento ball, spice ball. Right here, I'm about to add a chicken cube that I was able to find here. You see me struggling to open it and fumble the chicken cube in the pot. So at that point, I had to now stir the pot because I wasn't able to break up the chicken cube. Hopefully that dissolved out into the pot, Add those chicken back into that gravy that I'm creating right there. Get all crispy and delicious that chicken look, man. Put all that extra chicken juice and seasoning and gravy that came off the chicken. Now we on to, while that's cooking, making some rice. Yes, I washed my rice. You know what I mean? I'm using a rice cooker, add a little salt in it for some flavor, not too much. Stir that bad boy, you know what I mean? Cover that pot and let that thing cook. I love my rice cooker. Now, once the chicken started, the water started bubbling, the gravy started bubbling, taste to see what it needs. Definitely needed some pepper, so I went in that bad boy, add some black pepper. I'm not able to find any Scotch bonnet here or habanero pepper at the moment, so I just used some black pepper, and then I had some pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. Throw that in there because I need a little kick in my food. It's the Jamaican in me, man. I need spice, so add a little bit of that in there. I was so happy I had the green season, y'all, because the green season had that ginger, the scallion, the thyme, and all that good thing in there. Add some potatoes, you know, because I needed more stuff. I wish I had a little carrots to throw in there as well to make this a little more filling. And the potato is going to be able to make the gravy a little thicker because of the starch content, right? So here I'm tasting the pot, see if it needed anything. Then I had to test the potato. The potato was soft, but it was too many like gravy in the pot, so I had to let that thing cook for an additional 10 minutes till that gravy reduced, and there you go. Mm. Boy, I can cook. This is good. Yeah, got some potatoes on there, some rice. Oh, potato fell. Grab that. Yeah. Mm. Drop a little just there. Ooh, got rice, some kimchi. I love kimchi. This is very delicious. Look at that. Meat cook all the way through. Nice little kimchi, some rice. Mm. Mm. I have to build that one too hot. Look at that beautiful chicken. Look at that. Mm. Mm-hmm. People be eating chicken and don't clean their chicken. If your bone don't look like this, pause, and not eating chicken right. The best part for last. Take my time with this. So good. Cooked a delicious meal. Eighth, complete. Nothing left with the bones. Can't forget this beautiful iced tea. Oh, this is a lot of drink.